a vision to power India's manufacturing momentum. In just 3 years, Metal Forming Expo, India Fastener Show, and India Welding Technology Show have become the pulse of India's production technology ecosystem. In 3 years, the shows brought together 55,000 buyers and 850 suppliers. At future market events, our mission is to empower buyers with more innovation and opportunities. Because progress never stops, our journey must now evolve. We are proud to introduce 3 essential new shows: Machine Tools and Cutting Fair, AI and Digital Manufacturing Expo, Lubricant Technology Show. Together, these 6 specialized events are unified under one powerhouse brand, the India Production Technology Week, creating South Asia's foremost one-stop destination for the entire engineering community. Hosted in Pune, India Production Technology Week is more than a trade show. It's where ideas ignite, innovations emerge, and India's production future takes shape. Join 25,000 plus buyers, 500 plus exhibitors, and 100 plus knowledge sessions across 3 days of technology and transformation. Are you ready for the future? One vision, 6 trade shows, building Bharat's manufacturing ecosystem.